Children, today we are going to do word problems on multiplication of fractions. First, the capacity of a milk container is 5 on 12 liters. How much milk will be required to fill 96 containers? Children, remember, whenever you have to find the value for more units, you have to multiply. So here, quantity of milk in one container is equal to 5 on 12 liters. Now quantity of milk in 96 containers is equal to 5 on 12 multiplied by 96. I hope you remember how to multiply the fractions. So we rewrite by multiplying numerators together upon by multiplying denominators together. Here 12 is the common factor, so 12 ones are 12, 12 eights are 96. We get 5 into 8 upon 1 into 1. It is 40. So 40 liters of milk is required to fill 96 containers. Second, Neetu walks 6 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance she walks in 3 on 4 hours? So here distance walked by Neetu in 1 hour is equal to 6 kilometers. So distance walked by Neetu in 3 on 4 hours is equal to 6 into, let's convert 3 by 4 into improper fraction, we get 13 upon 4. Now rewrite. So we get here 6 into 13 upon 1 into 4. Here 2 is the common factor. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. We get 3 into 13 upon 1 into 2. So it is 39 upon 2. Now numerator is greater than denominator. So let's convert this into improper fraction. So we get here 19 on 2 kilometers. So Neetu walked 19 on 2 kilometers in 3 on 4 hours. Now let's move to third. Saurabh spends 4 upon 5 hours in completing a maths exercise. How many minutes does he spend in completing the exercise? Now children, we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So Saurabh completes maths exercise in 4 upon 5 into 60 minutes. Let's rewrite. So 4 into 60 upon 5 into 1. Now here 5 is the common factor. So 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60. We get 4 into 12 upon 1 into 1. It is equal to 48. So Saurabh completes maths exercise in 48 minutes. Now let's move to fourth problem. A student obtained 2 upon 3 of 450 marks in an examination. Find the marks obtained by the student. Now marks is equal to 2 upon 3 of 456. And children, remember, of means multiplication. So we get 2 upon 3 into 456. Now let's rewrite. So we have 2 into 456 upon 3 into 1. Now here 3 is the common factor. So 3 ones are 3. Here 3 ones are 3. Then 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. So we get 2 into 152. On multiplying, we get 304 marks. So student obtained 304 marks out of 456. Now fifth, a car uses 1 on 3 liters of petrol in 1 hour. How many liters of petrol will be required to run the car for 1 on 4 hours? Now here quantity of petrol required for 1 hour is equal to 1 on 3 liters. Convert this into improper fraction, we get 7 on 3 liters. Now quantity of petrol required for 3 1 on 5 hours is equal to 7 on 3. Let's convert 3 1 on 5 into improper fraction. So we get 16 upon 5 liters. Now let's rewrite. So 7 into 16 upon 3 into 5. Now there is no common factor, so let's multiply numerator. We get 112 upon 15 liters. Now here numerator is greater than denominator, so convert it into mixed fraction. So divide 112 by 15 and we get 7 on 15 liters. So 7 on 15 liters of petrol will be required to run the car for 3 1 on 5 hours. Now let's move to sixth problem. Find the area of a rectangular park of length 14 1 on 2 meters and breadth 13 meters. Now here I have drawn a rectangular park. Now its length is 14 1 on 2 meters. So convert this into improper fraction. We get 29 upon 2 meters and breadth 13 meter. Now we have to find out the shaded portion. This shaded portion represents the area of the rectangular park. Now area can be obtained by multiplying length and breadth. So here length is equal to 29 upon 2 meters, breadth is equal to 13 meters. So area is equal to 29 upon 2 into 13, and area is always expressed in meter square. So here let's rewrite. So 29 into 13 upon 2 into 1. Now there is no common factor here, so we multiply 29 by 13 and we get 377 upon 2 meter square. Now let's convert this into mixed fraction and we get 188 1 on 2 meter square. So area of the rectangular park is 188 1 by 2 meter square. Now children, do exercise 6.7